Good evening. Thank you. I wasn't impatient. I was listening to everyone. I am not contested in the primary race. I do have an opponent in the general election. As stated, my name is Salinas, and I'm the presiding judge of County Court at Law number 9. I have been there since 2006, and I beat a incumbent and longstanding Democratic incumbent. It wasn't a popular decision, but it was a decision that I felt was right for me. And I felt that it was important to represent young people, especially I'm from San Antonio, born and raised in San Antonio, and I felt that it was important for me to step up and represent my community and serve my community, and I continue to do that, and I want to ask that you ask for your support to continue doing so. And I have to tell you, in my last election I won by 7 votes. And so I like to tell people that, because although it was a very close race, it was very important to stress to people, and it's important now to stress that every vote counts. In my court, I handle criminal misdemeanor court cases, DWIs, possession of marijuana, theft cases, and I have a large youth group. I have a, or not youth group, excuse me. I have a large group of offenders that are, under the age of 25, typically. I don't see it as a punishment. Although it's a criminal court, we are not there to punish. We are there to protect the community, but also to rehabilitate the offender. And it's important for us to make sure that we look at the problem. Most of these young offenders are first-time offenders, make bad choices, make poor decisions. They learn from their mistakes, and it's important as a judge to know one-on-one, look at each case on a one-on-one basis. What does this offender need? What does this person need to stop here, improve their lives, and not graduate to higher, more serious offenses? And so it's important to be involved with, I consider myself part of the young group. I am the youngest, presently the youngest sitting judge. I'll tell you how old I am, although that's a #1 rule that I'm breaking. 38 years old, so I'm 2 years, I can still be a part of the club. I know I'll get kicked out at 40. But seriously though, I feel that I'm very proud to be young. Some people question me all the time about my age, and I don't look like a judge, and you look too young to be a judge. But I feel like I can identify with a lot of people in the community who maybe aren't being represented, and who maybe they're not being represented by, as far as making sure that they're taken care of and put back on the right track. I have a 4-month-old baby. You probably have seen me. I've been out of pocket for a few months. I have a 4-month-old little precious, adorable little girl, and so I now have a new perspective as a parent. And so it's really important for me to be to ask for your continued support. Again, some of you supported me the last time, and I'm up with my time, but I want to ask you for your support once again. Thank you again for your time this evening.